Two standout platforms are redefining how businesses connect with customers. But which one really delivers? On the left, Freshdesk, a powerful customer support platform. And on the right, Drift, the innovative conversational marketing tool. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what matters. We'll break down each category, assign points, and reveal the clear winner by the end. The outcome in 2025 might just surprise you. Okay, let me show you the main areas we're going to cover in this comparison. We've got pricing, features, performance and ease of use, integrations and scalability, and, analytics and reporting. Think of this as the cheat sheet. Everything that matters is right here. Let's kick things off with pricing. So, Freshdesk. Honestly, it has tiers for pretty much every business size, which means smaller teams aren't overpaying. The entry-level pricing is pretty dang good if you're just starting out, though you'll notice those advanced features bump up your bill. Now, moving over to Drift, this one's kind of the luxury option. You get those crazy premium features, especially if you're running a big enterprise. But honestly, it's generally on the pricier side. So, yeah. Unless you've got the budget of a Fortune 500, Freshdesk is easier on the wallet. Features time! Freshdesk packs in all that classic ticket management and multi-channel support, which, no joke, is super handy if you've got emails, chats, and calls flying in from everywhere. Only thing, their live chat customization isn't as slick as some folks want. Now, Drift steps in with crazy cool chatbots and lead capture stuff, which is perfect if your whole goal is to ramp up those conversions. That said, it's kinda light on the whole customer support vibe. So, to be honest, both have killer features, just for slightly different worlds. On this one, I'd call it a tie. All right, performance and ease of use. Because who wants to work with clunky software? Freshdesk's interface is super clean for support teams. Makes life easier when you just want to solve tickets fast. But if you're not a tech person, some bits might feel a little meh. Drift, on the other hand, is all about chat. It feels intuitive if you're in sales, but if you're not used to chat-based everything, there's a bit of a learning curve. It's slick, especially for those sales peeps, but for everyone else, well, Freshdesk just feels a bit smoother. Hey, random pause. Did you know that choosing the right tool can seriously boost your customer satisfaction and your sales? Wild, right? It's honestly half the battle. Let's talk integrations and scalability. So, Freshdesk covers a bunch of channels, plus it can integrate with your favorite tools. The only real hiccup is when you want something super advanced on the integrations front. You'll need a bit more setup. Drift, though, oh, and here's something cool. It slides right into all those marketing tools. And honestly, scaling up with Drift is just a breeze. The one thing, it's not as hot for non-marketing integrations. So if you're all about sales and marketing, Drift is where you want to be. Analytics and reporting. Let's go. Freshdesk offers solid metrics to keep tabs on your customer support game. Super helpful. But if you're looking for those deep dives into marketing campaigns, it's kind of limited. Drift absolutely shines here, especially for sales and marketing stats. The reporting features are, no exaggeration, pretty robust. If detailed support metrics are what you need, Drift might not hit the mark. But if your focus is conversions and campaign wins, Drift's got you. Now, let's map out where each tool crushes it and where they kinda lag. If you look at the chart, Freshdesk holds strong in pricing and overall support features, while Drift is totally leading the way on integrations and analytics. Some things are neck and neck, but it's clear where each one stands out. So, if you're the kind of business that runs on killer customer support, Freshdesk is honestly the go-to. But if you live and breathe marketing and conversational sales, then you know what? Drift is probably your best bet. It's all about matching what you need to what they're best at. Choosing the right tool just got a whole lot easier, right? If you want to stay ahead and make the smartest choices for your business in 2025, keep following. We've got your back for all the latest insights.